Welcome to the projectile motion, that's physics. We have a scenario where dot is thrown vertically, horizontally with an initial speed of 10 meters per second. So let's just illustrate. We have dot, and that's where the ice ball is, and that's point B. And then the dot misses that to the side of the rim. Goes that side due to gravity or maybe the wind. So that's P and Q, the distance P and Q. Initially, as you throw horizontally, then that means there is no y component. So that's the equation we have. Y1 plus v initial velocity multiplied by time plus a half g time squared. And then we know that our y initial is 0. We're only given vx. And then we have the equation there, which is half g, because our initial velocity is 0 for vertical motion, so half g times squared. We take downwards as negative, so that means we are going to have gravitation is pointing down, so it's going to be negative 9.8 meter per second squared. And then we have time there, which is 0.19, so it's going to be 0.19 second squared. So that's second squared. Then let's calculate 0.19 squared multiplied by negative 9.8 divided by 2 gives us negative 0.176 0.17689 8 meters. So that means meters or meter over meter squared multiplied by second squared over second squared multiplied by second squared, and then that gives us a meter. So PQ, that's the distance, is going to be 0.18 rounding off downwards. And then the second question, how far from the dead ball is the dead released? So that's the distance between the 2 points, the dead end where it's released. And then horizontal, there is no gravitational acceleration, so with no gravitational acceleration for horizontal component, so a change in x there is going to be initial velocity multiplied by change in time. And we have our initial velocity there, that's 10 meters per second. Initial velocity time there, that's 0.19 second. And so with the product of the two, 10 meters per second multiplied by time, which is 0.19 second. So the second cancels out, and now we have 10 times 0.19 gets 1.9, but let's use a calculator. That's 10 times 0.19 gives us 1.9, so it's 1.9 meter, and that's our final answer. So that's it. So you just need to understand and interpret the question accordingly. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave anything below. This is your tutor, Black Adam, and don't forget to follow or subscribe. And if you have any question or that any assistance you need, you can just leave the details on the email provided. And this is your tutor, Black Adam. This is your tutor, Black Adam, 5D tutor. But 5D had different subjects. Thank you so much for watching.